Is this what it means to have it all? A summer house on the coast, the kids play, the friends call, setting the table for all our fancy guests, discussing their movies, discussing their Oscars, discussing the New York Times, the latest Broadway show, tucking kids in bed and picking out their clothes, pouring wine from the vineyard down the road. Is this what we've always wanted? Inviting family to come over, he's made them so proud. He's done right by his parents, we can feed the whole crowd. We are more than self-sufficient, we've got food to spare, we've got money to spare, we've got time to spare. I know he loves his outings on the green with his friends. They look to him for all the latest Hollywood trends, while I manage the schedules of homework, the babysitter, house cleaners, handyman, and emptying the kitty litter. There's something I can't check off my list, a need deep inside of me that none of this can satisfy, a stirring, persisting, defying, screaming, I've got something more to give. I can't keep denying it, I've got something more to give. It's been tanking inside of me, I've got something more to give. I don't know what exactly, I don't know how, but I can't continue to live pretending when I've got so much more to give. He's worked so hard for us, we have all the eye can see, the American dream nailed down to a T. Is all of this the reason we have Harvard law degrees? We open up a catalog, choose anything we please. He takes care of all his clients while I read what I want. The Economist, the book review, I'm quite the dilettante. Modern fiction is my specialty. Is this what we've always wanted? The kids know every mornings are for reading and math, then horseback riding, swimming, home for dinner and a bath. We're raising them to have their own security so that they can live their lives feeling comfortable and free. They see us ruling our own kingdom, always serving ourselves, always serving our ego, adding trophies to our shelf. You might say we're good-hearted and it's what we deserve, and yet I feel the need for something bigger to serve. I push it down, I drown it out, and though I wish I could, I can't seem to make this feeling go away for good. Not when I know I've got something more to give. I'm trying to love this life, but I've got something more to give. I'm thankful to be your wife, but I've got something more to give. Stephen, remember when we met at school? We shared a passion to fight against injustice, but now we're sipping wine around our swimming pool. Is this what you've always wanted? You used to want to fight with me for families who had nothing, people no one else would listen to. But now you're helping rich and famous people get more rich and famous. They hardly know the real you. Is that really what you want to do? Because I need you to be you, so that I can be free to be me, and we can get back to being the team we're meant to be. Can't you see what I see? Believe with me, together we've got something more to give. Awaken. come out of hiding and see there's something more to give. When we take off the pressure and let our hearts breathe, we'll remember how we've always dreamed we'd live, and we'll find we have so much